Welcome to the magical Letterland adventure! Let's explore the alphabet!
A for apple, A for ant, A. B for bat, B for ball, ba. C for cat, C for cup, ca. D for dog, D for dots, da. E for egg, E for elephant, A. F for frog, F for fish, fa. G for goat, G for grass, ga. H for hen, H for horse, ha. I for ink, I for igloo, E. J for joker, J for jug, ja. K for kite, K for king, ka. L for lion, L for lamb, la. M for mango, M for monkey, ma. N for nest, N for nose, na. O for orange, O for ostrich, oh. P for papaya, P for parrot, pa. Q for queen, Q for quill, quack. R for rat, R for rabbit, ra. S for sun, S for snake, sa. T for tiger, T for tomato, ta. U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for van, va. W for well, W for watch, wow. X for Christmas tree, X for xylophone, X. Y for yacht, Y for yacht, yeah. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, za.
Thanks for watching! Like, share, and subscribe!